So, this is what I'm going to clean today. This dark mold on the grout of the tiles on the outside wall of my bathroom. The rest of the bathroom is fine, as you can see on this side. I'll clean it till it looks like this. And you see this really bad area above the window. This one is turning black. I'll clean it till it's like this. So, wig snatched, hazmat suit on. These are what you will need for this cleaning. Hand gloves, of course. Q-tips, you know, the one for your ear. You need a few of them, or a lot. For the very tough ones, as you will see later, you need cotton pads. These cotton pads that come in this kind of packet, you can buy them from a drugstore. You need a container. You need a bleach. This container is for pouring in the bleach. Then you need a hand wash detergent. This one is for post cleaning, as you will see later. A bucket and a rag. Yeah, and of course some water. Before I do anything, I cut up the cotton pads. I mean, you can use one without cutting it up, but you know, why use one, waste it for a small space, than cut it into three. So I cut it like this. You only need a thin strip just to cover that area. When you're done, it will be like this. Yeah? Okay, let's get to work. A little bit of background information on this. This bathroom, I heard or I read that this happens on this wall because it's an outside bathroom. By outside bathroom, I mean a bathroom that has an outside wall. You can see that it has a window there. So during the winter, the wall gets cold and wet, retains a lot of water. And also because we keep the windows closed, you know, it's cold. So the steam from taking a shower here causes this. But then other parts of the bathroom are not like that, except this wall part. So I believe it has more to do with the cold walls than anything. Our other bathroom that is not an outside bathroom, it's inside, no windows. This thing never happens in that bathroom. So this is my cross as far as this bathroom is concerned. Gloves on. Hey, madre mia. Did you take a note of the before? This is ordinary bleach, home use bleach. Take that, pure bleach, no dilution, and then do it along these lines. And you see it going. You can literally see it change color in your very before. Madre mia! Madre mia! I wonder if I took photos. I have to take before and after photos for my thumbnail. Hey! Did you see that? This one? Do you see this one going? It's gone. I normally do it when my kids are away so that the smell of the bleach it's too much. Let me suffer it alone. So that's what I keep doing. Can you see? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Of course, there's always the stubborn ones. That's what I use the cotton pads for. You see? Can you see it? I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Tell me if you can see it. Tell me in the comments. Can you see it? Can you see that it disappeared? It disappeared completely. I don't know if this... Yeah, it disappeared. Look at this one. You can't see it anymore. I think this camera is... When I turn my back, it's kind of blurry. I just cut it now. No scrubbing involved. That's why I like this. No scrubbing. You don't need to scrub anything. Because actually, when you scrub this thing that is used to hold the tiles together, when you scrub it, it wears off. So this doesn't scrub it, so it doesn't destroy it. And you don't need to repaint. Some people will come and repaint the thing. You don't need to repaint it. It's just bleach. Just bleach and Q-tips. Can you believe that? I don't know if this method can remove the... There are some bathrooms I see. Those ones are beyond redemption. Oh, you probably need to knock off all the tiles and start from the beginning. Yeah, I don't know if this one will remove that, because I don't leave mine to get to that stage. This one is just for... It actually starts happening by early January. You know, when the weather is really cold, that's when it starts happening. And then I leave it till end of February. So just 1 month, 2 months. I don't know if you can see this bathroom. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference in just about 5 minutes? I started doing this now. Yeah. Can you see the difference? Madre mia. It's magic. It's magic. This is how I do it. And then for the, I was talking about the tough ones before. I don't really see any tough one here, but let me just find one tiny something so that I can show you. Like here, for instance, oh, up there as well. Get one of such. You get the pad, put it in the, throw it in the bleach, and then put it on there. These gloves never let me do anything. So you put it on there, leave it like that, get another one, put it like that. So if there's a tough one, that's how you do it. Put it on there. To stay there, and after some time that tough one will go as well, because it needs more like hugging, more TLC. For that pad, I take one cotton pad, dip it in the bleach, see it changing color. Then for the tough ones, you can take the Q-tip. See the difference? It works. It does work. It works. But if you have safety goggles, you should wear it as well when you're doing this, because this thing can go into your eye, in your mouth, if you keep your mouth open. Yeah. You can see that compared to this side. it does work. After applying the bleach, just give it 3 to 5 minutes and you will see the magic. There are some tough ones up there, so I use the cotton pads, you see, to bandage them. Look at this one here too. Oh, this thing is not showing. This is what it looks like after the first stage, cleaning with only bleach. I don't know, the lighting here is so poor. You remember how dark these lines were? Remember how black they were? I think it did a pretty good job. Did you see that? Try this in your bathroom and see that it works. It works. You don't need any other thing. Unless, of course, you've left yours for years. Yeah. And this side, there wasn't much of that dark thing on this side anyway, but there were some, like a few of them, but they're all clean now. My eyes sting. Yeah, that's why you don't want to do this very often. Yeah, the bleach stings on your eyes, and that's why it's good to send the kids away. My kids are in school right now, so they don't have to go through this torture. I'm done with the bleach cleaning. Now the next thing for me to do is to put the hand wash detergent in a bucket of water, then use the rag to wipe every part of the tile to remove the bleach, because bleach is still on the walls. Yeah. I'm exhausted, but everywhere is clean. Yeah, that's my post-winter bathroom cleaning routine. Yeah, I do this once a year, like the use of the bleach. I clean my bathroom normally. Yeah, I clean my bathroom normally, but this using of bleach to clean the black thing by the wall, I do it once a year after winter. Some winters is not so bad, but this winter I feel that it's bad, but still I clean it once. I'm too lazy to clean it twice a winter. This thing gave me a better video at night. Check out that. Look at that. Look at that. Give me a better view at night. You see that? Madre mia. Madre mia. Looks better, looks better, looks better, looks better. Looks better. Okay, looks like new. Once again, till next winter.